Hi everyone, this is Sannie from Sannie Creates. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So I have a Friday freebie for you, and I can tell you it's going to be the last one in this color for a while. It's just that I want to finish up this journal, and I thought I'll just make a Friday freebie that goes with this. Well, with this journal, it can go with anything actually. Right, so what I have for my Friday freebie is I have a lovely pocket. Okay, so it is like a quarter of a circle, pocket, a beautiful card or tag, sorry. And then I've got an oval tag as well, which I'm not sure where I'm going to put because this is so pretty. She's so pretty. I don't want to cover it up. And then I've got that piece. You see? I should have put it in here straight away. Got that piece, and I've got two like that. Okay, and then one a ticket, a long ticket, well, a long enough ticket. Sannie, you are just amazing. Really you are amazing. Can't even with those things there, I can't get it right. Nevertheless, I wasn't planning on, oh, there's the other one, and then, oh, there's the ticket. I did move stuff around. Okay, so that's it. So that's part of the Friday freebies that I'm going to be using. You'll see some of this beautiful sage colored, what's this word, wallpaper, but that's not the one I used here. I used this on another journal. Can't remember which one. Okay, so I'm going to start with my Friday freebie. What I did was I backed this with some university, as you can see, paper. So study guide, which I've completed. And this one also. No, this one was, I backed it with, I think once I showed you my pajama packaging. And this I also backed it with the university one, but that was a clear one over there. So I'm trying to see how many ways I can use all my offcuts to back my my projects. Right, so this one is not too sturdy, but sturdy enough because it is on 130 GSM, and then I just backed it. So I'm going to put that down straight away, and then hopefully this journal will be finished by this weekend. That's my plan. And then I'm going to start my black and gold opulence, or golden opulence, or whatever, something like that it's called. So I hope you are well, ladies, and thank you all for your lovely comments. I've seen your comments. Christine, thanks for letting me know it's okay not to have a Friday freebie. One of my favorite subscribers, viewers, supporters, every kit that I have, Christine Skinner buys it, every kit that I release, and she's got probably more journals of my kits than I have. Yeah, so I'm just adding that there. And so today, this weekend, I'm just going to concentrate on finishing this off. I'm actually quite excited to finish this off. I must admit, quite excited. I really like the colors. This is one of my favorite colors, sage. So I'm going to use this now, and I am going to put an eyelet in it. Let's see, I didn't take the eyelet out, but here we go. Maybe I'll do some cleaning in my room this weekend too. It's just so cold to be here. Oh, come on. Yes, I'm going to use one of that. And I'm wondering whether I must take one of this here, one of my labels, and put them here like that, so kind of in half. These are backed on book pages. Just wonder whether I should do that. Yeah, I like that. I think I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to put this on top of it. Let's do that. So let's just get that right. Don't know where's my small bone folder, really. Like that. So are you good, everybody? Are you good? I know that I'm quite excited to craft this weekend. I get to craft. I'm planning only to do that. Yeah. So let's add this to it. I have to be in my craft room anyway, so why not craft, right? Ooh, I feel like having a cup of coffee. It is Friday afternoon and I worked last night. So I worked from 8 yesterday morning till 11 last night. It was a good night. It was a good night. I didn't work till 5 this morning, so that was a great night. I'm gonna add it a little bit lower. Oh no, it's already stuck. You see, it's stuck. I should have made my choice to add it a little lower down. Beforehand, I have to tell you this story. My son thought it was extremely funny. So this tag, can you see it's bent? It's because the backing was bent. So I backed it. Then I put it into a plastic folder. And then I sit on a cushion, a donut. And then I put it under the donut. Okay, well, I think it's funny. I put it under the donut to get flat. He thought it was hilarious. It's not going anywhere, number one. And number two, it is in a plastic folder. So, you know, just to flatten it, I needed to flatten it. So I must do everything I can to flatten it. I mean, I could have gone and I could have found, you know, gotten out a press or gotten out some books to put it under or whatever. But hey, it worked. It worked, okay? Not too successfully, but it worked nevertheless. So, ladies, if you want to flatten something, just make sure that, and if you're sitting, like I was sitting on a donut, a big one, you know, that covers the entire chair. So if you want to do something like that, go ahead. How many of you do that? Come on, am I the only one that will well, it's the first time I did it. Flatten my tag with my butt. So there you go. That was, I should have moved it a little bit to that side, but I'm not too concerned. I can add some ribbon to it, but then it will block the beauty of that. Oh, but then it will also camouflage the fact that it's a little bit to one side. So let's add some ribbon to it. Oh yeah, so yeah, no, I was busy. I needed to do it quickly, in the sense that I wasn't going to go around and go now and look for stuff to flatten it with and stuff like that. So that was a quick way. And I had that plastic folder, not the one, it doesn't have the snap on it. It's another kind of a plastic folder, but well, with the same material that you get those ones with, but it just didn't have the flap. And so it's not like it wasn't protected, and it was underneath my cushion, like, you know, wasn't like my body was not in full contact with it. But yeah, at least we can say that we do funny things as crafters. Yeah, because I needed it straight, and I was not about to throw that beautiful pajama you know, packaging away. It was so pretty, and the cardboard was so nice. So, but it needed to be straight, so that's what I did. There we go. So it does not really camouflage the fact that it's crooked, but nevertheless, I'm going to add that there. like that. I'm not going to use that. I'm not going to use that one there. I'm beginning to wonder if this is too loose, whether this is stretching under the weight. Okay, so that's there, and it'll go flatter down when I you know, the journal itself is bulky. Then you saw me using this. I just need to probably print a bit more of these because it seems like I'm using it. And then I'm going to take this one, going to add it here like that. And what was I going to take and use with it? I have no clue. But I can take this color here. What's on it? Oh, no, I know what I was going to do. I was going to take that. I was going to add that to it. And then I've got some of these stickers over here, which I've got so much of washi tape and so, you know, like stickers that I don't no, I mean, when I got so much, there are definitely people that got more than me, for sure. But what I mean is that I just forget to use it. All right, so I'm gonna put that there like that. Okay, so I'm going to glue it. Down, and that too. Going to glue it down here like that. Put that there. And then I'm going to take this. It's crooked. Not that, oh my greatness, it's not straight anyway. But I'm going to use that. It looks like I glued it to use it somewhere else, and I didn't because I can feel some glue on it. I'm going to add that to it here, like that. Okay, so that's that. And I feel like something needs to go here because that's looking a bit weird. Don't you love the fact that I can just now do this? So this one, these ones just have all the ones that are, you know, the color that I'm working with. So how many of you work on multiple journals at a time? I can tell you one thing. I don't work on multiple journals at a time. I don't think, you know, I don't have, okay, my mind must be a little structured, okay? It is who I am. So I don't work, but right now, it doesn't mean to say if I don't work on multiple journals at a time, that I don't have multiple journals that are out at different stages of completion, because they are there. They definitely there at different stages of completion. I mean, there's one here, there's one, the Christmas one that I've actually put away into a box. I didn't even pack it away because I've got all the materials that I need to use for the Christmas one in that box. So I felt like I wasn't going to go and take everything out and put everything again. So that looks pretty. I wish I had brought that a little bit more in because it looks like it's too far out. But it is what it is, and I can't change that now. So that is that one there. And then as for the rest of these ones here, like for example, you know, you'll get a proper flip through of this book when I'm done. This is one that I'm going to show you how to do on Monday. Ta-da! But so that was my prototype that I finished, you know, that I added to the book. And let's see. Judy, I saw your black, your grayscale kit. I saw your grayscale kit while I had some time today, Judy Fenter, and I saw that you did something very similar to this. I was so excited. I was so excited when I saw that. And your kit is looking gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And I see how you printed the freebies in grayscale and you used it. That the person who's getting that kit is I'm sure it's going to be really, really happy. I think I might take that out and I might put that in there like that. And then I think I'll put this in there also like that. Okay, like that. And then I'm thinking I'm giving you a little bit of a flip through of my kit as we're working. But it's okay, it's okay. Maybe we'll put this over here just like that, so it will act as a journaling space, and let's make it a tuck spot as well. Okay, so you see I'm gonna glue it here and here, so it's going to be a journaling space and a tuck spot. And I'm going to add that right over there, slap bang there, not in the middle, but can we just get this to look like it's, at least I tried to get it straight. Yes, at least I tried to get it straight. Okay, so I'm just looking at what else I have. No, I don't have anything, and well, nothing that's part of the Friday freebie. So you can see that I've used that there. I've just added the other one somewhere around here to a pocket, and I used the rest over here, wherever that page may be. There. Okay, so I'm loving that. I really like that idea over there, and definitely I'm so looking forward to completing this kit today, this week, and I can't wait to show you a flip through of it. Hopefully it will be soon, maybe on Wednesday. I'll give you a flip through of this kit if I don't have anything else planned. So do take care. Lots of love from me, Sannie at Sannie Creates. I do hope you have yourself an absolutely awesome weekend and a blessed weekend, and that you spent it doing the things that you love doing it, and you spend it with the people that you love to be with. So really, truly wishing you everything the best of this week, and blessings to you and your loved ones. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.